Hey, it's Michelle Budd, and yeah, it's time for another Fun Fact Friday. So this week, what I wanted to talk to you about was address a question that I get all the time. So when I tell people I'm a facial intelligence expert, then they say, oh my God, does that mean you can tell that I'm lying? And really, what I do is quite different than the body language aspect of face reading or microexpression reading. Although I do know that and I do teach it further down the line, initially what I do when I talk to people about facial intelligence and how I use it the majority of time is to look at our features and the markings on our face to see how we habitually and predictably behave and what our patterns of personality are like so that we can help understand each other more. But people still do want to know if someone's lying to them. Well, there is a way on a face to see if someone has really good innate lie detectors. And that's a good thing to know, especially if you're in an interaction with someone and you are doing the talking and potentially the selling, and you want to know if that person is going to buy everything you have to say or buy into what you have to say, especially if you tend to embellish a little bit, because there are certain people with a certain feature on their face that will know instinctively and by design whether or not someone is telling them the truth. It's an innate ability they have that develops over experiences that they've had in their life that cause them to have to be hyper vigilant in order to gain the truth and safety and all sorts of other issues and connotations and reasons. But I'm going to tell you where you can find it. I have them, but it's really, really hard to see. But I want you to start looking for it over the course of this week. And perhaps we might expand on this a little bit more next week with some micro-expression follow-up. So if someone is a naturally good lie detector, then they will have on the outside of their ears right here little lines, little vertical wrinkles. It could be one, it could be more than one, but if you see someone and you happen to get close enough to look at their ear and you see that they have vertical lines in front of this part of their ear right here, then know that they will be a really good natural lie detector, and you want to choose your words and your embellishment of situations very carefully, because if you are someone who tends to stretch the truth, they will know it. So there you go. That's your facial intelligence tip for this Friday, and I will see you next Friday. Bye for now.